Good morning, welcome to
MathForKids177.
MathForKids177. Decimals for
Kids.
kids. Alright, so we're going to spend probably 2 or 3 weeks talking about decimals. Now you already know a little bit about decimals, right? When do you encounter decimals in everyday life most of the time?
In money.
Money, yeah. So if you're going to buy something, what might something cost? Make up something that you would buy and tell me how much it would cost.
$10.25.
Okay, so you buy something, maybe a little bit of a cloud, and it costs $10.25, and we're going to write that as 10.25. So what does that mean, 10.25?
It means 10, which is, this is the whole number.
Okay, so that's the $10. And what does the 0.25 mean?
This is 25 cents.
Or what else could it mean? In terms of dollars.
0.25 of a dollar.
0.25 of a dollar. Okay. Now what if you're right, which turns out to be a quarter. What if you're going to buy something else, like maybe you just bought a square and it costs $3.04. How much total money would you spend?
We'd spend $13.29.
Okay, go ahead and write that. $13.29. And how did you figure that out?
Just add the whole numbers and add the decimals.
Add the whole numbers and add the decimals. Okay. So, what if instead you bought a circle? Circles are more expensive than squares, right? And let's say the circle cost $4.96. Now what would you do?
Still do the same thing.
Okay.
Down for the money, $14. And then 25.25 plus 0.96 plus 110 plus 11, which is 121.
Okay, so how would you write that?
It's
I just got to make sure that we're staying on the screen. Okay. All right. So how much money did you spend buying the piece of a cloud plus a circle?
you spend $15. $15.21.
Okay. And you have to remember to write that decimal point. Okay. So that's actually pretty interesting. So you just add exactly the same way. So in this case, all you did was you added the dollars. 10 plus 4 was 14. Then you added the cents. 0.25 plus 0.96 was 121. Just like 1.21. Just like if you just had the number 25 and you were going to add it to 96, you would say this was 110 plus 11, which is 121. Right?
Yep.
So adding with decimals, well, at least with money anyway,
Isn't too hard.
it really is basically the same thing. You can just say, well, I'm going to add the dollars, I'm going to add the cents. But we can extend that idea to any sort of decimal. So sometimes beyond money, maybe you see, where's another place you see decimals besides money? I won't give you any ideas. Can you think of another place you see decimals?
Not really.
Not really? Okay. Well, what if you were going to measure something? And let's say we were going to measure it in meters. And we said, I don't know, the dog was 0.634 meters tall. About half a meter, so. Or a little more than half a meter. I mean, so maybe that's like 2 feet tall.
Pretty tall dog.
That's not super tall though.
Yeah.
Some dogs are taller than that. So maybe you would measure it like that, 0.634 meters, so you would have decimals. Do you know what 1/1000th of a meter is called?
It's centimeters 1/100th.
Right, centimeters are 1/100th of a meter.
No.
So this would be 63.4 centimeters. Remember what's slightly smaller than centimeters? Sometimes you see those really small little tick marks on a ruler.
I don't know.
You don't know the word millimeters? Have you ever heard that word before?
Yeah.
So this would be 634 millimeters. So these are all the same. Just like writing dollars, you can write out the cents, or you can write out the dollars and cents. So sometimes you see decimals in measurement too. And maybe other places as well. Okay, that's all we're going to do for today. Tomorrow we'll start, maybe we'll do a little more adding or maybe multiplying even. Okay, good job today, sweetie.